Welcome to this guide on Python variables. Today, we are going to master the fundamentals of how to store data in Python, and most importantly, how to name your variables correctly so your code is clean, professional, and error-free. Before we write code, let us understand the concept. Imagine a variable as a labeled box. You give the box a specific name, and then you can place a value, like text or a number, inside it. Whenever you need that value later, you just refer to the box by its name. Creating a variable in Python is straightforward. You simply type the name you want to use, followed by the equals sign, and then the value. The equals sign is known as the assignment operator. Unlike some other languages, you do not need to specify what type of data it is. Python figures that out for you. There are strict rules you must follow when naming variables. You can use letters, numbers, and underscores. However, a variable name cannot start with a number. It also cannot contain spaces or special symbols like the $sign or dashes. It is crucial to remember that Python is case-sensitive. This means that a variable named score with a lowercase s is completely different from score with an uppercase S to Python. These are two distinct containers. Python has a set of reserved words that have special meaning in the language, such as if, for, class, and return. You cannot use these words as names for your variables because it would confuse the interpreter and cause a syntax error. Beyond strict rules, there are conventions that Python developers follow. The standard style, defined in PEP8, is to use snake case. This means using all lowercase letters and separating words with underscores. Camel case is typically avoided for variables in Python. One of the most important best practices is to be descriptive. Avoid single-letter names like D or N unless it is for a simple counter. Instead, use names like days and week or first name. This makes your code self-documenting and much easier to read. Sometimes you have a value that should not change during the program, like the value of pi or a configuration setting. By convention, Python programmers write these names in all capital letters. This signals to other developers that this variable is a constant. To summarize, remember that variables are just named containers. Stick to letters, numbers, and underscores, but never start with a number. Respect case sensitivity, avoid reserved keywords, and always try to use descriptive, snake case names to keep your code Pythonic.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.